Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how to get this wavy, curly, just little bit loose, just like, you know, some hair. I'm going to teach you how to get some hair. If you guys want to learn how I got this wavy, effortless looking curly look, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. It's pretty self-explanatory, I guess. I use a clampless wand, just like a curling wand. This is a really thick one because my hair obviously is really long, like super long and super thick. So I use a big one, sometimes I use a small one. It just depends on what I'm feeling really. There is no really rhyme or reason. Just if you have really short hair and thin hair, you probably won't want to use one this big. But I mean, it is up to you. I don't even like remember where I got it from, but it is a 4-in-1. It came with 4 barrels. I can't tell you where the other barrels are, honestly, because I've moved since I got it and everything. So I wash my hair and condition it with Aveda products, and I will show you those. I probably wash my hair once or twice a week. It just depends, and it doesn't get greasy really very fast, so I can go a long time without washing it, and it's actually better for your hair, and that's why I attest a lot of my growth and the healthiness of my hair to not washing it as much. It's a big. I have a balayage going on. If you want a video on my hair, I can do that. I think it'd be really cool to film like the process at the salon, because the next time I go, she said it's gonna be like 5 hours, so that'd be a really good time to like vlog a little bit. After I get out of the shower, I put some of this in it, and this is basically like a detangler slash leave-in conditioner slash heat protectant slash. This is so good. I love this. I only spray 2 or 3 sprays on there because it can get a little greasy. So I just mist it through my damp hair. And then also sometimes I'll put some of this in it as well. And this is a spray leave-in conditioner. And you can get this at Target. Don't spray that much because I feel like this really overpowers my hair and it kind of makes it greasy, but I do like it. And then normally I'll let my hair dry overnight. I like to leave it alone as much as I can so it can like just do its thing and like, you know, get better, get more healthy. Whenever I want to do my hair, I'll normally curl it. I very rarely straighten my hair because I feel like gets greasier easier, and I feel like I have to wash my hair more when it's straight. Curls last a long time in my hair, so I'm really thankful about that my hair really holds a curl. So even though the Amica has like heat protecting qualities in it, I do spray my hair with this heat protectant. I will do it in sections and spray it in sections on my hair and then brush it out, brush it through, and then I'll go ahead and curl it. Hearing someone brushing the tangles out of their hair is really gross and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna do that off camera and I'll come back, and my hair is probably gonna be so huge because I brushed out all the curls. It just looks, ugh. Imagine if I literally wore my hair like this. Like if I just like walked around and I was just like, not cute. This is why I don't really brush my hair a lot. Even though it's frizzy when I leave it like how it is, it still doesn't look like this. I hate how this looks. It looks so just like grassy. Just like, not a fan, honestly. And just make sure you have like a hair tie or something. I like do it in sections, split it, and I'll do the bottom section first. I will rebrush the hair obviously before I start to curl it, just to make sure there's no crazy tangles in it. And then just pop it up. It is so hot. I have my window open right now. Bruh. I will just split it down the middle. Spray. You can get this at any drugstore for protecting your hair, and it's like, I don't know, $4 or $5, like really inexpensive. So I'll just go ahead and brush it through. All right, so I'm just gonna take probably 1 inch of hair like that, and then I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around the barrel. And it just depends on like how I feel. Like I'll either leave the ends out like this much, or I'll just go ahead and curl it all the way under. I'll go ahead and leave a little bit out so I can show you guys. So it looks like. And you just wait and you kind of test it. It's kind of scary because you might burn yourself, but it's obviously hot enough. And then you just let it fall into your hand. Look at this. And then I always throw it to the back to cool by itself because I have to tackle this hair still. So I just toss it to the back. You can put it as close or as far away from your scalp as you want. The bottom doesn't really matter as much because obviously it's underneath and nobody is going to see it as much. And I honestly don't really care that much. Like, there's not really a rhyme or a reason to how I do it because I don't really go outside or see people anyway, so. Ugh. Split my hair down the center in the back, right? To the left and to the right. 3 curls on that side. Because of this wand is so big, I can, you know, do my hair pretty fast. Pretty fast. It's still annoying to do though because it's so long and there's so much. But it goes by pretty fast after you get the hang of it. Honestly, I can't tell you how many times I've burned myself doing this. Like, burn my hands, burn my wrists, burn my neck, burn my ears. It's just like, this is 410 degrees. That's hot. So I like to start at the front and then work my way to the back. It's not anything like revolutionary or you know, different or trendy. I just literally do what works for me, and this works for me. Wrapping it around the barrel. So that's what it looks like. Wrapped around the barrel. I usually wait until I see a little bit of smoke or I just feel the heat off my hair. 15 to 20 seconds. Like, I don't do it very long because I don't need to. I don't like to do it a long time because I don't need to. My curls stay really well and they stay really well for days. So sometimes like I'll go back in like a day or two. Oh, okay. Sometimes I'll go in a day or two later and I'll go in and I'll touch some spots up and just make sure it looks good again. The cooled curls, and I will wait until the very end and I will go in with my fingers and I'll just comb them out a little bit, and then I'll also add some of this triple sec spray from the Dry Bar. It's really good. I love this for volumizing, texturizing your hair. I think it kind of also acts as like a dry shampoo almost. It brings it back to life. It's not a powder by any means, but it is really good and I like it. I usually do, I think, 3 like sections of my hair. Right, remember, I don't like to brush out my curls, like with a brush, because obviously I feel like that just ruins them. And like, I mean, if you want that, you can, but I like my hair to be like curly and big. Killer, man. Killer. For the front, I like to start from the back to the front. Oof. I honestly was really surprised that people wanted a curly hair tutorial. I didn't know people actually liked how I did my hair. I don't know. This is a workout, man, when your hair is this long and this thick. Like that. Oh, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, my back kind of hurts right now. So this is my last piece. Wait a second. Yeah, so I wrap it under a little bit, but it ends up flipping out towards the face. Like this. And boom, that's what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna let my hair cool off. And at this time, I'll go back in if I need to anywhere and like curl some extra pieces. Like this one probably could be recurled a little bit because right here in this area is like nothing. So just let that out a little bit more. of a bend to it. If it is too curly for you, just be aware that these will fall and they'll look more natural. Like these ones right here are really tight, but we're gonna go in with our fingers and we're going to, you know, shake it out a little bit. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spray some of this. So just gonna shake it up really good. And then I'm just gonna flip my hair over actually. Just spray it. And then I'm just gonna go in and just kinda push it up. It's weird, like loose up the curls a little bit. And it has a lot of volume underneath there now. Let me sit back down. Then I'm just gonna go and I just spritz. And then I'll do the same on this side. This side's a little bit harder because it spritz, spritz, spritz. Oh my god, it smells so good. Go in and I zhuzh it up. Just want to zhuzh it up. Make it big, make it big. Make it juicy, juicy. Eat that lunch. But yeah, guys, here's what it looks like. It's a finished result. This will fall out and I can wear actually my hair like this for days and days. Yeah. That's how I curl my hair. I hope you guys liked this video. I wasn't expecting to do videos like this on my channel. Still trying to figure out like what our niche is. There's so many things, obviously like lifestyle. I feel like that sums it up enough for me. Lifestyle, gaming, streaming, those three. It's a nice little, you know, sometimes there'll be vlogs. I feel like vlogs will be less until I get my own place and then I'll probably vlog a lot, so. I hope you guys like this video and make sure you thumbs up and subscribe and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good week.